So we starting the year off. Jordan Brand got some crazy releases for us. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all everything that's dropping this month. And I'm gonna get you guys personal opinion on everything that's dropping. I'm gonna give you guys my take on every single sneaker as well. So it should be a very interesting video. Get ready to comment down below, spam them likes up, and get ready for the video. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. As always, greatly appreciated, man. When y'all pull up, y'all come spam them likes up, come spam them comments, get that good interaction going. In videos like this, I get to see what my vintage squad is feeling about certain sneakers. You're gonna see what Jordan Brand starting the year off with, and of course I'm gonna let you guys know what I'm gonna be copying, what I'm gonna be passing on. I can see what you guys are copying and passing as well. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on any other content on the channel. We got some more early looks coming, some more unboxings, clothing hauls, all that good stuff. So if you don't want to miss out, like I said, subscribe right now, hit the notification bell, follow it up with a huge like, man. To go for every single video is 500 likes. All right, so now we're going to be talking about Jordan Brand's releases this month in January 2023. I feel like this is probably like the weakest month of the year in my personal opinion. You know, it ain't no Travis Scott Black Phantoms releasing, ain't nothing like the Lost and Founds, nothing like Chicago 2s or anything crazy like that. It's a pretty mild month for January, and I know a lot of y'all gonna be saving y'all money, but let me know how you feeling about every single sneaker we about to talk about in today's video. So for the first sneaker, we have the Air Jordan 4 GS Messy Rooms. You guys see the colorway, you could tell it's strictly for GS or like a kid, but $150 price tag. I know a lot of people ain't buying their kids that, and they're gonna be releasing on January the 7th. Jordan didn't start to get out for the banger. He started off with a GS exclusive. So you know, drop all your comments, thoughts, and opinions, and we're gonna go ahead and get right to the next sneaker. So on January the 7th as well, we have the Air Jordan 7 Olives, and the retail tag is $210. Man, they keep raising that retail price up. This is something to me personally I wouldn't grab. It looks a lot similar to the Air Jordan 7 Pattas, and me personally, I'd rather have a Patta Air Jordan 7, which is like a collab, than the Air Jordan 7 Olives. For me, like I said, I'm gonna pass them. I'm gonna leave them for everybody out there that want them in that size 9. Next, we have the Air Jordan 9 Olives releasing on January the 7th as well, and the retail tag is $200. So I don't know what's going on with the price. You know, retail prices, the 7s are going for $210, the 9s are going for $200. I don't know what's going on with Jordan Brand. They either raising the prices up, dropping them. They got the prices going everywhere if you ask me. But like I said, January 7th, Air Jordan 9 Olives. The only Air Jordan 9 that I'm really going after and I want Jordan Brand to bring back out is the Cool Grey 9s and the Air Jordan 9 Kilroys. So now, you know what I'm saying, heating up just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? We have the Air Jordan 1 High OG True Blues releasing January the 14th. Retail tag of $180. You guys see the colorway, you got that blue toe, you have the gray heel on these guys. So me personally, nothing that I would jump in the line camping for or even pay resale for. Me personally, they're not all that, but I do love how Jordan Brand's kind of oversaturating the Jordan 1s, because guess what that's doing? That's driving all the resale value down. If you guys don't remember, 2-3 years ago, it was impossible to get a pair of Air Jordan 1s. So I'm kind of happy that Jordan Brand, you know, they pushing them Jordan 1s out, flushing them colorways. And me personally, I love rocking Jordan 1s. I get some dope fits out of them, and I don't gotta pay an arm and a leg just to get a pair, man. So here you have it, Air Jordan 1 High OG True Blues. Pretty clean colorway, just nothing to go crazy over if you ask me. Next, we have the Air Jordan 5 Dunk on Mars, and they look very similar to a colorway that we all know, the Raging Bull Air Jordan 5. So I don't know what's going on with this one. They made it a women's exclusive. I don't know if they're going to be extending the sizes. Usually they do that on drops, but like I said, I do not know. These released on January the 14th as well. Retail tag of $200 for a women's exclusive. $200. Jordan Brand, y'all killing the pockets, man. Y'all really killing them. But for me, I already have the Raging Bull 5, so I'm not going to be going after these. But if you don't have the Raging Bull 5s, you could easily, you know, get these right here, add them to the collection. They look so similar to the Raging Bull Air Jordan 5s that released a couple years ago. So let me know how you feeling them. You're gonna be going after them, you're gonna be passing them. They fire, they trash. I need to see all those comments in the comment section. So I typically never throw up a pair of Jordans over Air Jordan 14, but I have to show you guys the Air Jordan 23 Year of the Rabbits. Now these right here are really the only reason I'm putting them up in here, because of the retail tag. The retail tag is $260. That's a pair of Foam Posit Pros plus tax plus shipping. Like, I don't know what's going on with the retail tag of these. It has to be like a crazy limited sneaker. It got to come with a huge crazy box, because $260 for a pair of 23s, like, come on, Jordan Brand, y'all killing it, man. But it is a pretty clean colorway. It's not half bad. I'm not saying it's a trash sneaker at all. The 23 is actually pretty cool if you ask me. But $260, nah, y'all can keep them, man. But y'all let me know what y'all feeling them. Y'all gonna be going after them. Y'all gonna be dropping that $300 after shipping and tax. I gotta see y'all energy towards these things right here. So here we have them, the Air Jordan 7 Barely Grapes, and I'm pretty sure they call them Barely Grapes because it's kind of more of a pinkish hit on the midsole, and it's a GS exclusive. The retail tag is $150, and they're released on January the 24th. But let me know if anybody out there is gonna be grabbing them for themselves, for the kids, nephew, nieces. Let me know how you're feeling about it. So if you guys do not know, this year is supposed to be like 20-some pairs of Air Jordan 2s, including lows and highs. So when I start showing y'all a couple of these Air Jordan 2s, just know it's gonna be a lot more throughout the year. So here we have them, the Air Jordan 2 Women's Crabs. So if you guys do not know, we have Air Jordan 4 Crabs coming out and a pair of Air Jordan 5 Crabs coming out later this year. But the 2s, not half bad. If you ask me, if they would have threw Travis Scott name on these, they would have been going crazy. I can't wait for Jordan Brand and Travis Scott to collab on a pair of Air Jordan 2s. Maybe that, you know what I'm saying, will make people appreciate it too a little bit more. And a colorway like this, I think it's pretty clean. I don't think it's trash at all. I know people hate Air Jordan 2s, but this one right here, if I get it for the right price, me personally, I will be copping them. These released January 26th. Retail tag is $185. I'm telling y'all, the retail prices keep going up and up on these Jordan silhouettes. I don't know what's going on, but let me know if you're gonna be passing, copping, dropping, all that good stuff. Next, we have the Union AJK01 lows and like a off-white sailish university grade colorway. The retail tag is $150, and it will be dropping on January the 27th as well. I'm gonna be passing on them. Not really too crazy over the AJKOs, but there's a couple of AJKOs that I would entertain, like the Chicago AJKOs, the Royal AJKOs, just a couple of, you know, colorways to show y'all that I actually do like. I'll be following AJKOs, but these right here, I'm not feeling them. But let me know if you're gonna be going after them down below in the comment section. And now we have another Dunk on Mars colorway. This is a GS exclusive, and it's an Air Jordan 3 releasing January 27th. Retail tag $150. Not a bad colorway at all. I'm telling y'all right now, if this was a regular men's Air Jordan 3, everybody will be grabbing them. Everybody will want to be getting a pair, and that resale price will be high because we don't get a lot of Air Jordan 3s, if you ask me, especially no dope colorway like this. They kept it for the GS exclusively. Kind of sucks, but all the people out there that rock GS sizes, you got a crazy Air Jordan 3 coming out. Let me know if you're gonna be grabbing these things. And then last but not least, we have a pair of Air Jordan 2 lows. Again, like I said, it's gonna be a lot of Jordan 2s, highs and lows. These are the responsibility Air Jordan 2 lows, and the retail tag is $225. Like, Jordan Brand, what's going on with these retail prices, man? I don't know. These will be dropping January the 28th, the last Jordan drop of the month, and they said save all y'all money for these because we want $225. You gotta pay taxes, shipping. I'm good on it. Me personally, I'm gonna be passing on them. But I know some people out there that love Jordan 2s that probably will cop every single one. And this year, you got the opportunity to get a lot of Air Jordan 2s. They're dropping like 20-something pairs. So that wraps up the month of January as far as Jordan Brand releases. There's not nothing crazy coming out. Hopefully we get some shock drops or some restocks, something, because it's not a lot of stuff that people gonna be really going out looking for, if you ask me. But drop all your thoughts and opinions over this month's Jordan Brand release. Just gotta see what you guys are feeling. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because they have an early unboxing coming very soon. So stay tuned. Like I said, subscribing, hit the notification bell. All my social media links will be down below in the description box. Like I said, so go tap in and leave a huge like on today's video. You guys know that helps the channel grow, puts us in the algorithm. I know a lot of people out there trying to figure out what is people feeling as far as Jordan releases this month, and they're going to be able to see you guys comments and see how y'all are feeling about Jordan Brand's releases for January 2023. I appreciate all of the support. Thanks again for tuning in. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.